Hey friend, welcome to this video and how to the four uh, uh, sensation so and right to uh, tell and tell key tell case and what to tell case but tell to me but think at it is not to for that was B form B then to uh, advice to me for you with so any uh, content this video and complaint for another so is this video full watch and so solution for any but have been for uh, anything doubt for everything we can how to next question any for you but I think to that was how many two but to me but I think to tell me but I think so very full watch video and so anything part have we been we air you the what you how but I think so a solution with that how version 2 but I think so uh, so another two coming to back and stop dawn to this is right to but I think to tell me but I think to tell you how you how that was and anything so very solution anything uh, eh, this is right too but I think so but I think have you been anything but doubt but I did no doubt but doubt have you doubt have but I doubt to me but I think to telling me but I think so very right too but I think so very anything so doubt no doubt but I think have been haven't to you for anything this uh, content original and for you but I think so solution that was an useless for and uh, so good right but I think too so very powerful video and any complaint for you but I think complete this video full watch and our and so very and anything so this that was he had gone after so morning so anything is so very full was video then to me for follow me this and he had gone so that he gone before that was he advice said to for you then to me with at not gone there another so solution for but I think so what solution so what solution what solution so solution so but to so solution and any question to for you to advise it to for me back, but I think to telling me to tells me, but tell me, but I think tell me, but I think so. Full watch this video, and so very full watch video for any so. But right to tell me, but I think to this work. Uh, but I think now for then to me, treat is for coming to and very nice. So and any doubt so solution, but I think so. But to you for that was no he had gone so after but I think so that was he has haven't even in it in a class have you no sense, but sense yes, but right to well uh, welcome, but I think to tell me to full watch this video, and another tell me, but I think to but I think very cool down, but down do this work, but I think this uh, worked test he had gone to this he had gone to this he had gone to this uh, what he we you go there he has no so anything, but I think so but you have been coming to back, but anything no coming to back and stop and stop not a stop, but I think so stop to tell me, but I think so solution, but to everything you have been complete to for video this video, and so that was so anything so question any question so question after, but after so that was air not complete, but this video full watch and complete video this video complete, and anything so uh, that was he had uh, gone before I came to you, for that was came to so what have you were born before to learn to English, but I think so solution to English, but and science, but I think so doubt no doubt, but I anything so this video full watch, and uh, uh, likes, and anything is so, but I think have you been you have but you have you but that was have you, and is content my video is and so anything how many percent of sense, and so anything the knowledge this video, but I think so anything but I think that was he had before gone back to a top not a top full watch, and recovering yes, but recovers, and anything no right bill before came I came to him that meet you, but I think you but born to tell me, but I think so anything so writing to write to tells me, but I think so very watch full video, but I think so that was he had gone before I came, and also very cool down, but I think anything so this is not this tense, but I think tense for this video, and tense now, but I think tense that was he has gone before that was he had not that was he has gone, that was he this is not this this is, but I think so this is and very nice, be happy you very cool, cool. But I think so that was he has not I need to complain anything. So what have you born this video, and uh, इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो और लाइक करो और कमेंट कर दी।